Hey everyone, today we are fixing a few locks in my hair. I have some bunching, and honestly, bunching can be caused by holes in your locks where there's space in your lock and the hair just intertwines and bunches instead of becoming interlocked. And that honestly can be caused by lazy work. So let me show you what bunching looks like. When you look at this lock of mine, so you can see that it is locked down here, right? And then there is a thicker lock, and then tiny lock, a thicker lock, tiny lock, a thicker lock, tiny lock, thicker lock. So this means that whoever did my retightening did not pull up into the new growth. They just basically locked the bottom of the lock and didn't pull into the new growth, and it's been done multiple times. So this is just lazy work. To fix this, I'm going to use a finishing needle. I'm going to thread my lock through it. And I'm basically going to act like I'm sewing through the locks to close up those big spaces. So I have a big knot here that is basically just squishy hair. I'm going to go through the side of it and be gentle pulling this. And that has fixed that bunch in here. Y'all see that? So let's keep going for any space that feels very soft. Right there feels soft. And that's gone here. That feels like it's interlocked. Okay, so here feels soft up here. I'm gonna fix that. So now you see the locks don't look so ununiform. They're starting to get, look like they're all interlocked. I'm gonna fix this one more time. And look, they look much uniformed. So I've been going through my hair, and before I knew anything about Sisterlocks, I had no clue this was going on with my locks. But now that I know better, I will go through and fix a few of this ununiform locks and bunching. So, all right, now you know. If you're seeing a loctician and you see uneven locks, bunch small, a bunch small, a bunch small, make sure you say something, okay? Tell them to pull up into the lock while they're locking. Pull into the new growth. Don't just lock the base and leave hair in the middle. It's just going to cause bunching. All right, guys? Okie dokie. See y'all later.